Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to view restricted accounts on Messenger, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the update with clear steps so you can manage your privacy settings quickly and confidently. First, open the Messenger app on your device. If you're scrolling through your chats and the app opens to a different screen, just tap anywhere to get to the main menu. Next, look for the menu option and select Settings. This is where Messenger keeps its privacy tools organized, so you can tailor your experience without digging through extra menus. From Settings, scroll down until you reach Privacy and Safety. This section is all about who can see you and who you can interact with, making it the hub for controlling restrictions and safeguards. Now, tap Restricted Accounts. Here you'll find a list of accounts you've chosen to limit. This feature is designed to give you control over messages and interactions without permanently blocking someone, offering a lighter way to manage unwanted contact. As you view restricted accounts, you'll notice options to remove someone from the restricted list or adjust the restrictions as needed. If you decide someone should no longer be restricted, simply select their profile and choose the appropriate action to restore normal interactions. If you'd rather keep them restrained, you can review the last messages and determine whether you want to continue limiting conversations. A quick tip: use restricted accounts to minimize friction in your day-to-day messaging. It helps you maintain boundaries while still staying connected in a controlled way. If you ever change your mind, you can revisit this same path to adjust who's on the list. Remember, privacy settings are personal. Take a moment to review who you've restricted and why. Keeping these controls up to date helps you create a safer, more comfortable messaging space for yourself and your